Starting in October, the bill is due again for federal student loan borrowers. Interest will be charged starting tomorrow after it was stopped in March of 2020 to help people during the pandemic. Weijia Jiang looks at the White House and how they're trying to help.
Come on, let's walk.
In Indianapolis, Erin Heffern and her husband are dreading the return of student loan bills.
We lose sleep over it. It takes so much out of us.
Together, they owe $116,000, which breaks down to payments of $1,500 a month. During the pandemic, they got some relief.
It's really hard to even have a strategy because it's such a large portion of what we make.
For 39-year-old Heffern, the financial strain amounts to more than struggling to pay bills. It has impacted her goal to start a family.
Not having children has probably been the biggest choice that we've made because of our student loan debt. We can't live paycheck to paycheck and bring children into this world.
The couple is among 45 million Americans who have student loan debt, totaling $1.7 trillion. The Biden administration tried to deliver up to $20,000 of relief to millions of borrowers. But in June, the Supreme Court blocked the program with a 6-3 decision. President Biden has vowed to keep fighting, feeling pressure from progressives in his party.
Under my new plan, we're reducing that payment to just 5% of your disposable income.
Under the president's SAVE plan, which will be fully implemented by next summer, interest will not accumulate as long as borrowers make their monthly payments. Those will be based on income and family size. More than 1 million low-income borrowers will qualify for a $0 monthly payment.
It's a game changer for a lot of people who are in student loan debt.
Michelle Singletary is a personal finance columnist for The Washington Post.
People look at how much they owe, they get discouraged, and they just get paralyzed. If you are not sure you have enough money, call your loan servicer. Figure out the right payment plan for you and take action. I'm telling you, this debt will haunt you for decades. So call and see what is possible.
Where's this way, bud?
Heffern was holding out hope for loan forgiveness. Now she's grappling with reality.
I don't think that we'll ever get any relief from it. Well, I think we'll take these loans to our graves, unfortunately.
There is a so-called on-ramp program for the next year that allows people to be spared the worst consequences of missing payments on their loans. They won't be considered default or reported to credit bureaus, but if they miss their payments, interest will add up, and Singletary stresses that collectors will get that money in the end, so try to pay. Tony?
I would listen to Michelle Singletary. She knows her stuff. Weijia, thank you very much for that.